Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your scene and selecting the object or rig you will animate. Once selected, switch the lower pane to the graph editor and reveal the F-curves for the channels you need. Make sure your timeline is at a meaningful reference frame and insert keyframes with I. This creates the curves you will edit. You can toggle auto key if you prefer live recording. Now you have visible curves and selectable keys. Start by isolating the channels to reduce visual clutter. Now you refine motion by manipulating keys and tangents. Select keys and grab handles to shape ease in and ease out. Change interpolation modes to control motion type. Once done, use snapping and numerical and panel edits for precise timing and values. For repeating or procedural motion, add F-curve modifiers like noise or cycles. They generate motion without extra keys. If you need final, exportable curves, bake modifiers into keyframes. Make sure to preview in the 3D view so the curve edits match actual motion. Finish by tidying curves, remove unnecessary keys, and use Simplify or Smooth to reduce jitter while preserving intent. Once satisfied, bake the action or push it into the NLA for non-destructive layering and export. Make sure to scrub the timeline and play the animation at real-time speed to verify results. If something goes wrong, check common issues. Reset broken handles to automatic, disable auto key if it keeps adding keys, or use clean channels to remove stray curves. These steps usually resolve errant motion quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.